Hey everyone, Amber Irwin and Caitlin McDonald over here at Social Speak Network. We want to share with you our 4 cornerstone products that we have in store for you. So let's dive into the Social Speak way.
Our first product is our roadmap to digital marketing. This product follows our 5-step process to ensure your digital marketing leads to real results for your business.
Our second product is our social media management. This is all about building an authentic and transparent brand with your business.
Our third product is our blogging and SEO management. Our expert copywriters work with your marketing team to create a complex web of content that best positions your business to be found and trusted online.
Our fourth product is our lead growth management. It's all about newsletters, content upgrades, email marketing, and most important, keeping top of mind with your clients and future prospects. We work with many different businesses within the health and wellness industry. Please contact us today for your free 30-minute strategy session. We will look forward to working with you.